see what's in. Oh, it's all in this bin. It's not even doing anything. There's nothing in here. It's in this bin over here. It's all stuck in that bin. Oh my god, I was hoping it would do something when I put this in. Pause this for now. Dishwashing. I don't want to get upset. So I'm going to go on to scrubbing down somebody's pants. 6, 7, then I got the sheet pans. A dishwasher not having a plunger is like a firefighter not having a fire hose. I don't know how else to explain it so people can understand how important it is for us to have certain things, tools we need for our job. Oh boy. Got my rack already. But see, surprisingly, like, well, not surprisingly, but I couldn't, once I stuck it in here, and I couldn't get it into the U-bit, like not fully working. I brought this from home. Hell yeah. It's all in the U-bin right now. Yeah, it's all up in here right now. Shit. Yeah.